Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going through the top 50 ALJ trick questions, specifically number 6 of 50. Let's hit it right now. We're going to be keeping these videos short. Hobbies, then and now, trick question. All right, the judge will come at you like this. So what are your hobbies? There we go. So what are your hobbies, right? What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun? You know, what do you like to do in your spare time? They will ask that question, and then they won't follow it up with, are you still able to do those hobbies now? Sometimes they do, but rarely. What are your hobbies? I like to go to sports events. Stop shaking the thing. I like to go to sports events. I like to eat cookies. I like to play guitar, you know, blah, 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 right? Yada, yada, yada. Okay, then you need the follow-up question. Are you still able to do those functions? The reality is that you probably are no longer able to do those functions, right? That's my dog, Shadow. He's shaking it. He's probably trying to steal something right now. He grew up in Bithlow. It's okay. So what you need to know is this. That's a situation where you need to follow up with, however, I can no longer do these hobbies because of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, which are all symptoms of your disabling impairments. Disabling impairment. I have slipped discs. Result, I have back pain. Result, I can't sit for an extended period. Result, I can no longer play Metallica on the guitar. Cool? You just do. I know, you guys know this stuff. I know you're on top of it. I got this, okay? All right, that's how this question works. Simple, straightforward. I got to do 50 of these. I did them back in the day for the first 20, but I was falling asleep. Now we're redoing them. That's okay. Bottom line, 9th of April, 2020, okay? 9th of April, 2020. Bottom line is, I'm going to be going ahead and doing a live YouTube video. I have to set up all the equipment. I have a live camera. I have a plug-in microphone, all that jazz. I'm doing it. And when I do this, you guys get to call me on the phone, the 407-279-1754. I'm sure it's on like a little block thing at the bottom or in the bio or whatever. Call me. First come, first serve. I will answer and I will run hearing questions with you. I will beat you up because I have unchecked aggression from having to do this crap all the time. And for that reason, my gift to you will be essentially doing hearing questions with you because I love you dearly, of course. So, now we're going to go into question 7. However, if you have any questions about anything, most up-to-date information, what's my favorite hobby myself, blah, 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 that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, and we'll go from there. All right? I hope all is well. Thank you so much, Attorney Walter Hnot. Here we go, number 7.